Hi, I'm Bob Pryor, and I want to welcome you to this video of our syllabus for Math 52 Elementary Algebra. I'm recording this for the fall 2010 semester, but it is just as valid today as it is in 2011 and 2012 and so on. So let's take a look at what it is that we've got here in the syllabus. Now, I'm going to go a little bit fast through all of this in the video, but I want to let you know that you can simply read any of this that I went over too quickly, or you can go back and review the video. Let me scroll down a little bit. And first thing we see is an important notice. Please read before continuing. So, quick questions. Are you ready to take this course? Is your computer ready? Do you have the time it takes to be successful in this class? This class does take some time. As we can see, this course moves quickly. So you should be prepared to put a lot of time in this semester. At least 10 hours a week, maybe more. Now, most of the time, that 10 hours per week is about reading the book and doing the exercises. And actually about maybe half of the time is online, or maybe even less, maybe more in reading the book and doing exercises. So we have a link we can click on for lesson routine. We'll look at that a little bit later. Now there's 16 learning modules or lessons, and each learning module covers 2 to 3 sections in the book, and will also cover 1 or 2 quizzes and tests. And we can look at the calendar for soft deadlines. I'll talk about that in a little bit too. Oh, here's very important. This course requires 2 on-campus exams at Norco College. There is a midterm exam and a final exam. And we can click on the exams link to see where, get information about that. Another important thing to know, the midterm and final combine to be 60% of your course grade. 60%. That means that it's very important for you to be prepared for these and do your very best, because these have much more weight than your other tests and quizzes do in the course. Bottom line is, I wrote this book for you. I wrote it so that you can read it and understand, and then I also have some video tutorials on the book sections, and you can learn from those video tutorials as well. We'll talk about those a little bit later. Here we see a link to videos, and I'll explain this eventually. Let me go back up here and I'm going to click Go to the menu. The menu has a lot of links to different parts in the syllabus. How to buy the text, that's one thing you want to know right away. The course calendar. What else did you want to know? Services available to students. There's disabled student services, student resources like the Math Lab and other tutorial services, the Math Lab hours. We can go look at those. A general overview of Math 52. Here's a course description, the learning outcomes, what it is that we expect you to learn after taking this course, and important things to know. Let me scroll down a little bit. Using the textbook. So about the textbook, the homework, calculators, just so you know we don't use calculators in this class. How does it all work? Lesson routine. We can click on that link. Tutorial videos. Making the grade, the grading scale, the 2 exams I talked about, the final and the midterm, and quizzes and tests. And if you want to know a little bit about me, click on About the Instructor. And another thing you might want to know about is, hopefully not, but dropping the course. All right, let's go to the top here and talk about the course calendar.